As the saying goes, first impressions are everything. Nowhere is this more true than when it comes to our home's entrance. The entryway sets the tone for the rest of the house and provides visitors with a glimpse into our personal style and taste. Renovating the front porch and entryway is an opportunity to make a statement and create a warm welcome for all who enter. One way to add character and charm to these spaces is through the use of antique hardware. In this video, we will explore the significance of antique hardware in entryway renovations, discuss popular styles and designs, and provide tips on how to incorporate these timeless pieces into your own front porch transformation. Antique hardware carries a sense of history and nostalgia, connecting us to the past. Whether it's a refurbished doorknob or a beautifully crafted door knocker, these pieces add a touch of authenticity to any entryway renovation. The sight and touch of antique hardware can transport us to a different era and inject a sense of elegance and sophistication into our homes. Unlike modern hardware, antique pieces are often one-of-a-kind or available in limited quantities. Each piece tells its own story, reflecting the craftsmanship of a bygone era. Installing antique hardware in your front porch makeover ensures that your entrance stands apart from cookie-cutter designs and showcases your individuality and style. Art Deco hardware, popularized in the 1920s and 1930s, remains a timeless choice for entryway renovations. With its geometric patterns, sleek lines, and luxurious finishes, Art Deco hardware adds a touch of glamour to any front porch. From door handles to house numbers, incorporating Art Deco-inspired pieces can transform your entryway into a statement of elegance and refinement. For those seeking a more ornate and romantic aesthetic, Victorian hardware is an excellent choice. Characterized by intricate detailing, elaborate motifs, and rich finishes, these pieces harken back to the opulence and grandeur of the Victorian era. Adding Victorian door hinges, doorbells, and letter plates can instantly elevate your front porch and evoke a sense of timeless charm. Craftsman-style hardware, inspired by the arts and crafts movement of the late 19th and early 20th centuries, showcases simplicity and craftsmanship. These pieces embrace natural materials, such as brass and copper, and feature clean lines and subtle detailing. Incorporating craftsman hardware, like door knockers and address plaques, can infuse your entryway with a sense of understated elegance and a nod to the American architectural tradition. Moreover, the front door is the focal point of any entryway and serves as the perfect canvas for showcasing antique hardware. Replace the standard doorknob with an ornate, vintage piece that complements your chosen theme. Consider adding a door knocker that not only provides a practical function but also becomes a striking decorative feature. Additionally, installing a mail slot or an antique doorbell can further enhance the overall aesthetic. House numbers are both functional and decorative, serving as a way for visitors to identify your home while adding visual interest to the entryway. Opt for antique house numbers that reflect the style and character of your home, whether it be Art Deco, Victorian, or Craftsman. By replacing generic numbers with antique designs, you add a personalized touch that sets your home apart from the rest. Furthermore, lighting plays a crucial role in creating ambience and enhancing the overall appeal of your front porch. Antique light fixtures, such as wall sconces or hanging lanterns, can be stunning additions to entryway renovations. Look for pieces that align with the chosen theme and provide adequate illumination for the space. Incorporating antique hardware into front porch and entryway renovations is an excellent way to add character and timeless elegance to your home. The historical significance, uniqueness, and wide range of styles make antique hardware a desirable choice for anyone seeking to create a memorable first impression. By carefully selecting and incorporating antique pieces, such as doorknobs, door knockers, house numbers, and lighting, you can transform your front porch into a welcoming and stylish space that sets the tone for the rest of your home. Embrace the charm of the past and let your front porch become a testament to your personal style and appreciation of craftsmanship. Be sure to like this video and click to subscribe to see more content.